This is a tour of Allure of the Seas, Suite 1754. It is a crown loft suite. Very spacious room. When you first walk in, to the left is your downstairs bathroom. The lights are on the outside. Nice size shower. Very nice size bathroom all the way around. Additional storage underneath. Storage under the sink. Plenty of space. We have 4 people staying in here, and we routinely do crown loft suites, and always an abundance of space. Good hooks. Immediately when you come in to the right, it's a nice closet space for the people staying downstairs. We were on the Harmony of the Seas not too long ago. They seem to be a little bit more spacious overall, the crown loft suites, but the downstairs closet here is bigger, no question, than the Harmony of the Seas. Little nook with some towels for the suite guests. You do not have to check in and out towels. You get towels when you're first checking in, and then you have additional towels that are available on the suite lounge. Nice little aesthetics underneath the stairs. A nice mirror, and this is a table and 2 chairs, and this table slides in and out. Lots of storage on this side as well for those there. Telephone, lamp. This is a sofa bed. A nice chair here, very comfortable for watching television. Here is your refrigerator. Nice lavazza, I believe. Tea and coffee. A nice complimentary water. And with the suite lounge, you have your happy hours, and then your complimentary beer, wine, soft drinks, certain hours of the day. I can't remember offhand when those are. And then I'm going to show you the balcony first. This is a nice size 2-storied. The loft suites are nice with that, with the beautiful view. And over here is where you operate the blinds. They go in and out automatically. Which is nice. And they do a very nice job of making it dark so that you can get some good sleep-ins. Here is the balcony. We're still in Fort Lauderdale. Very nice sized balcony. 1754 is not on the end, it's pretty in the middle. 1754 is also very nice to be close to Coastal Kitchen, which we really like as one of the suite perks. right. No obstruction. And you'll also see on the some of these loft suites, like on Harmony, I think it's 402, 17402, I think, and it says it's an obstructed view. We've stayed in that room as well, and the obstruction is very, very minimal. It's a very nice room. Here are the stairs leading to the main bedroom. Nice photo. Nice photo over here as well. Here's the main bed. We have the fold down television, which is very nice. You can put it up when you want. You can control that from the remote. A nice view out to the balcony. And again, you have some privacy blinds, but these privacy blinds are not like they are downstairs. It's just to give an air of privacy, but that's all it does. It's not much more than that. We have more storage over here. And we have some lights for reading on both sides. These are very nice, comfortable beds. I get a good night's sleep on them most of the time. And here are, these are controlling the lights here. So you can have different varying amounts of light. And I think this is the all on or all off button. Yeah. And then we have a nice closet. Pretty spacious. And a lot of hangers for everyone. Nice robes. They are comfortable. And a little vanity with some more storage. And the upstairs bathroom. The bathroom on Allure of the Seas is definitely smaller than on the Harmony of the Seas. And also some of the showers on Harmony of the Seas have the full bath upstairs. I actually prefer the one with the full bath, but everybody has different preference. But it is definitely smaller than at least the Crown Loft suites that we've stayed on in the Harmony of the Seas. Again, very similar down to downstairs. A little less storage, but still sufficient in my opinion. A lot of room for those that are tall. And that is pretty much the tour of the Crown Loft Suite 1754 on Allure of the Seas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, as we will be posting from more cruises in the future coming. Thank you. Have a great time.